Show me your race card. Shelby, how old are you?
I'm 3.
Show me how many fingers that is.
I'm 3.
Okay, good boy. Scoot back so I can see you.
I'm 3.
Okay. Show me your nose.
Right here.
Show me your eyes.
Right here.
Where's your ears?
Right here.
Your ears.
Right here.
Where's your belly? Oh, you don't have to take your shirt off. Just point to it.
Right here.
Where's your fingers?
Right here.
Where's your feet?
Right here.
All right. Where did you go with me and Daddy this weekend?
Go to races.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Was there a lot of race cars?
That's loud race.
Were they loud?
Yeah. It's loud.
Yeah.
How much ears?
Did you hold your ears?
Yeah.
They were really loud, weren't they?
Yes. Very loud. And it's very, very cold. It's very loud.
Really loud? Tell me about them.
And my dad's okay.
Your daddy what?
My dad's okay.
Your daddy's okay?
Yeah.
Do you like watching your daddy race?
And the diamond.
With the Dominator?
Yeah, that diamond.
What else was on a race car?
Diamond.
What else?
Motor.
What else?
Trick.
Slick?
Tires.
Tires?
Head.
What else is on it?
A baby.
A baby?
Yeah.
On a race car?
Yeah.
Okay, what else?